Now, this rested for 4.5 hours. Now we're gonna carve into it. Now this is how I carve my brisket. This was for a customer. And what we're doing, we're separating the flat and the point. You can just cut right through that decal there, and then you will reveal. Now I cut off the edges on the point to make the burn ends, and any edges that are kind of charred on the flat will be burn ends as well. You can see great tenderness, beautiful smoke ring, really delicious brisket. If you have a Weber Summit Kamado, go ahead and try a brisket on that, or any Kamado. Now, make sure you're subscribing to the page, check out the rest of our videos, check out the next video, the previous videos in the series. Hey, subscribe to us for more. Bye.